Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure your device is online and the system time is correct. Incorrect clocks can block authentication. Once done, open a browser or the Google app and go straight to the sign-in screen. Enter your Google email or phone number now so the account lookup runs. This speeds the next step. Make sure you use the account identifier you normally use. If you have multiple accounts, pick the one you want to access before entering a password. Next, you enter your password. Type it carefully and tap the show icon to verify characters if unsure. Once the password is accepted, you may need to complete two-step verification. Choose the fastest method like a prompt, SMS code, or authenticator code. If you get a challenge about a new device, confirm it via your trusted device or recovery email. If you can't remember the password, use Forgot Password and follow the guided recovery flow because it walks you through ownership verification. To finish, review sync and privacy prompts so you know what data will sync across devices and choose whether to stay signed in. Make sure you sign out on public or shared devices and enable device activity monitoring for security. If sign-in fails, try a quick troubleshoot. Clear browser cache and cookies, disable VPN, or use a different browser or device. If problems persist, use recovery options or check that two-step settings and recovery email/phone are current.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.